Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add photo overlay in CapCut. So it is super simple. Tap on your project and I'm just going to select stock videos here and select the animation here. Okay, I'm select this firework animation here, add. And how to add photo overlay, just tap on overlay button below, tap on add overlay, select photos you like to make it as an overlay just for duration till the end of the video. Second, remove the background, just select cutout button, select remove background, click check marks, and here we go. So that's how to add photo overlay in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.